Here's how to make organic hummingbird nectar and keep your feeder clean. Start out with a thoroughly cleaned feeder which will keep it mold-free and keep the nectar fresh. This can be done with a non-toxic soap and a basic vinegar. This feeder holds about 2 cups of water, not including the feeding well, and I just measure out the 2 cups of water, making sure to use purified or drinking water. Boiling the water first is supposed to preserve the freshness of the nectar, and once it's boiled, you just want to let it cool down. Once it's cooled to medium hot, you add your organic sugar. If it is 4 cups, you would do 1 cup of sugar. Mine is a 2-cup feeder, so I do a half a cup of sugar. I stir in the sugar so that it completely dissolves, and then I let it cool further so that I can hang it outside. Curious hummingbird will always see if it's ready yet. Now just hang it outside for your happy hummingbirds. So cute and happy. Thanks for coming by and have fun feeding your hummingbirds.